In this video, we're going to show you how to integrate Tenable with Splunk, a powerful combination for enhancing your security monitoring. Stick with me to learn how to set up the integration, configure it correctly, and maximize your insights from both platforms. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make the most of Tenable's vulnerability data right within your Splunk dashboard. Before we dive in, if you haven't already, you can try out Tenable with Splunk completely free. Click the first link in the description for exclusive bonuses and a free trial. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about setting up the Tenable plugin for Splunk. The easiest way to do this is by downloading the official Tenable for Splunk app directly from Splunkbase. This app will allow you to pull vulnerability data from Tenable and display it within your Splunk environment. You can search for it by name or follow the link provided below to access the right version for your setup. Next thing, you'll need to configure the plugin in your Splunk instance. Once the app is installed, you'll need to input your Tenable API key into Splunk. This will authenticate the connection between Tenable and Splunk. Make sure that your API key has the necessary permissions to access your Tenable data. If you're unsure, head over to your Tenable account settings and double-check the key permissions. The third thing you need to do is set up your data sources. In Splunk, navigate to the Tenable app settings and configure the Tenabled IO or Tenabled SC data sources based on what you use. This is crucial because it's what defines the flow of your vulnerability data into Splunk for analysis. Once you set up your data sources, you can start ingesting vulnerability data directly into your Splunk dashboards. Now, the fourth thing you should focus on is creating custom searches and alerts. Once your data is flowing into Splunk, you'll want to customize the queries to monitor for specific vulnerabilities or trends that are important to you. Set up alerts to be notified in real time when new vulnerabilities are detected or thresholds are met. This helps you stay proactive with your security. Next, let's talk about visualizing your Tenable data in Splunk. It's not just about collecting data, it's about understanding it quickly. Use the pre-configured dashboards provided by the Tenable app or create your own visualizations to give you insights at a glance. Dashboards can include vulnerability counts, severity levels, asset coverage, and more. You can even add graphs and charts to better visualize patterns and risks. Lastly, you'll want to regularly review and maintain your integration. As both Tenable and Splunk evolve with new features, you'll need to ensure that your integration is up to date. Regularly check for updates to the Tenable Splunk app and your API keys to keep everything working smoothly. And that's it. Integrating Tenable with Splunk is a great way to bring powerful vulnerability data into your security workflow. By following these simple steps, you'll have a robust integration that helps you stay on top of your security posture. Remember, you can get started today for free through the first link below, where we've got an exclusive extended trial for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link in the description for your free trial and bonuses.